So if you're thinking of moving and you're wondering, well, when do I start decluttering to get ready for a move? My suggestion is right away. As soon as you know that you're thinking of moving, even if you haven't bought a place or you haven't decided where you're going, I would start right away, because it is so stressful moving. Moving alone is stressful, but if you have to declutter just before you move, it is even more stressful. So my suggestion is just start going through one room at a time. Pick a drawer, pick a closet, pick a cupboard, anything, and start going through, decide if you really need to keep things, because there's nothing worse than paying for movers to move things and for you to pack or unpack items that you don't really need. So start right away. You don't have to wait for, once you buy a place and then you know what the size is, because I have heard that before. At least 50% of our clients were moving when we were helping them with the decluttering process, and we also helped with packing and unpacking, and they thought they had to wait to the last minute, and it was so stressful. So don't do that. Whatever you do, start right away and start letting things go. Once you know what size you're going to have, then you can be even more ruthless maybe. But in the meantime, start right away and just let go of what you don't need.